Grand Old Partisan celebrates more than 16 decades of Republican heroes and heroics. Today, I express appreciation for Republican environmentalism. June 28, 1906, President Theodore Roosevelt signed an act to protect birds and their eggs in game and bird preserves. It had been written by Republican Congressman John Lacey and passed by the GOP-controlled 59th Congress. This law was among the first federal legislation intended to conserve natural resources. Specifically, it rescued from extinction bird species being targeted by the hat industry for their feathers. Back to Basics for the Republican Party is my civil rights history of the GOP. To quote the book, the more we Republicans know about the history of our party, the more the Democrats will worry about the future of theirs. For more information, see grandoldpartisan.com.